Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed my content, and I'm gonna be updating content regularly. So I hope some of it you can take away and use to keep getting better. So every day, about 1,700 people in America are becoming millionaires every day. Now, why would you be concerned? Why would you even care? Well, if you like the lifestyle that you have, the life that you have, it's okay. You can skip on and go to the next channel. However, if you believe that you could improve your life and get more enjoyment out of it, or create the wealth that you're looking for, that might be a video just for you, to give you awareness and to show you other avenues of how wealth is generated in America today. So, as Fortune.com states, and the statistics are based from this website here, and what's been currently going on around the world, and also Bloomberg report, there's more and more rich people passing away. Sharing the wealth is becoming shared. But how does one get a piece of that pie? Well, I believe that online is the new way of becoming a millionaire or becoming wealthy, as opposed to old traditional ways of brick and mortar businesses. So if you're interested on making a few extra bucks online, or totally transforming your life from the wealth that you can generate online, tune in and listen to what I'm about to show you guys in this video. So far, looks like the number of the millionaires will keep growing, and it's expected to welcome about 3.1 million new members, and which has pretty much grew by 2.4 million from 2010 to 2015. So definitely online gives people access to wealth faster rather than the traditional ways. So how can one walk this path and get there? Well, there's a lot of courses out there, and one can get lost in the amount of programs and the amount of affiliate marketing educational uh, packages or information, and some succeed, some don't succeed. So what I will do today for you guys is actually review Entre Institute, and this will be an honest review, as I have taken other courses in the past, and I can relate to what has been working for me, what hasn't been working for me, and what I see more value for the buck, and what I see that actually seems to work better than other things that I've learned in the past. So if you guys go on Google and type in affiliate marketing, and this is my niche, and that's what I focus on, and I teach others how to generate income through online. So going through other courses and implementing some stuff that I've learned there, I haven't had much success. However, it is different with Entre Institute, because Jeff Lerner, CEO, ensures that those people who actually choose to go through the course get the full-blown um, information, get the support that they need, and are able to implement as they're learning and actually apply what they're learning. And why did Jeff decide to create this educational program? Is because he's been tired of people complaining that they want to have a better life, but they don't have a means of achieving it. So if this is you and you're tired of where you are, definitely take a look at either Jeff's program or other people's programs, and you can compare for yourself, or you can just see what I have to say, and try give it out and try and give it a try, and implement what you're learning. So with Entre Institute, Jeff focuses on three P's in life, which are personal, professional, and physical. By physical being all you, mental, body, mind, and spirit. When it comes to personal, it's your family, your closest circle, and your professional. May it be your business, or maybe the message that you're trying to put out there and affect other people's lives. So by actually going through Entre Institute, not only you're learning how to do affiliate marketing, but at the same time you're getting so much more value. Where I purchased other courses in the past, and they would only teach you specifically affiliate marketing or creating content online or having how to start up a business. So actually, Jeff Lerner in Entre Institute teaches you how to have an amazing, awesome life, and at the same time learn means of achieving it. So Jeff is actually is a musician who he got tired of doing what he was doing, and he was in debt. So he decided to go out there and learn himself from bottom up how to have his own business online, and actually succeeded and was able to dig himself out of all the debts and create a fortune for himself and for his family. And Jeff is very transparent. He pretty much puts it out there. He is honest, and he shares his family. He shares his successes with his students. So if you're more interested to learning about him, you can always visit his website and read up more about it, as I'm gonna go into continue the review. So to begin, first step, which I recommend for everybody doing who actually want to go ahead and try and learn the affiliate marketing, is going through the blueprint. This is where you'll be actually able to get started immediately, and actually you will be followed by your coach online, and I should say advisor, and those advisors will continue through along every step of the program in order to make sure you get the most out of it. So what does the blueprint bundle includes? As I stated, it's a one-on-one business advisor, and then you're the one to actually have one follow you, and you have your meetings via Zoom, where you and yourself and others share your experience and your concerns and your plans for future. So I believe this is powerful. No other program that I've had tried in the past actually had this feature. And obviously, Awesome Life Challenge, as I stated to you guys, if you want to improve your life, strive for better, have amazing results in your 3 P's of life, not just making money online, but also in life, your physical, your personal, and your professional, you can go through this challenge and implement and learn as you go along. Another great resource is a community, where you'll be able to interact with other members of the community, and in here you get a ton of value, because you're actually able to ask people questions and get support from one another. And this is all pretty much backed up by your 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're not interested and you don't find value in it, you can always say, hey Jeff, give me my money back, and you contact the support, and the program is smooth. So if you're interested, you can proceed, put in your information, and give it a try. As soon as you purchase, you do get an email. And once you're open up the blueprint, is actually how the whole platform looks. But we're gonna continue with the blueprint. You're gonna you're actually gonna book your orientation call with your advisor, and everybody kind of introduces themselves and states what they're looking to achieve through this. Why are they even, seeking to learn more about it? And an advisor will talk to you and give you the honest opinion and try to help you out to see where you're trying to go, and maybe give you some advice. Otherwise, you will get along with the course and you'll keep implementing. So this is where you join your Facebook group, and you can get right on and ask questions and interact with other Antra family members. And there's some core beliefs also. There's mission and vision of Antra, and this was actually my advisor, Kevin Dwyer, amazing guy, and he works all along with you and gives you a ton of value. So let's say you continue through all these steps, and just I'm trying to give you guys value, so I'm gonna walk you guys through this. You watch every video. Some of them are long, some of them are short, and they pretty much break down and teach you, provide a lot of education. I've had a headache. That's how much education you get for for this $39 that you spent. Not a lot of courses do that, but I believe Antra gives so much value to its students. It's amazing. As you work along, through all these steps, you learn more about the program. You learn more how everything works, how all the pieces are combined, and you work yourself towards a plan where Jeff helps you create your small term and long term goals, because everything's always with a plan. If you don't have a plan, you don't have a goal. You're not gonna shoot it. You're never gonna get anywhere. You're gonna stay where you are. If you're happy with where you are, that's okay. But if you strive for more and you're looking for more out of life, this is where you would be crafting this plan. So I believe this is this program which teaches you, and actually I want to show you guys what they teach you. So I do focus on the affiliate portion, but Antra teaches actually 3 business models which you can learn down the road. So let's say if you want to have an agency and that's your calling, you can always do that. And you can also start making a lot of people, they do is they build courses online. So this would be the knowledge business accelerator. And so I recommend starting with one and working on one. So this is the one that I'm focusing on and learning, and once I'm ready to move on to the next model, if I choose to, I can always do that. But definitely start with one. Usually most of the students start with the affiliate because it's the easiest to implement and kick into, although other people might have different preferences. And this is your Awesome Life Challenge, which I started also for myself. And if you feel like you don't have enough time in day, there's no excuse, because successful people have as much time in a day as we do. So how are they able to do so much more comparing to other people? You can learn more about it in Millionaire Productivity Secrets. And next, so once you guys are done with the blueprint, you can immediately move into implementation bootcamp, and that's where you learn more about shooting and starting with the affiliate or going into other courses. And once I was going, looking to purchase Antra, I actually went with the elite version, where you're still in a program, but you receive a little more content, and you're actually join more serious individuals who are truly driven, just like yourself, to achieve more from life. Coaching is something that comes later on in program, and it's also powerful, but I would initially start with the blueprint and the boot camp. And this is the new content that just came out, the affiliate boot camp. Since Jeff is in the process of releasing a new software, it's not open yet to the public, but it's very powerful, and it combines your creating ads, um, emailing, and putting it all together. So affiliate bootcamp is something that just was released from Antra and is loaded with value. But once again, if you guys are serious and you're willing to learn about the affiliate program and how others are killing it and making amazing results, um, I do recommend this program for everybody, but only for serious individuals. If you are gonna have a shiny object syndrome and you're gonna jump from one product to another, and that's what has happened to me in the past. I would purchase multiple, and only obviously you can be so good at one thing. Once you become amazing at one thing, definitely you can try another thing. But definitely for serious individuals who are willing to spend time as you're investing in yourself money and learning new content, because learning anything new can be overwhelming, which is good because you're growing. You're not being stagnant. You're learning, and you're seeing new things happen. And as the online world is speeding up and new opportunities are popping up all around, you don't want to be left behind and stay with the old model of brick and mortar, where your employer might say, hey, you're worth so much, and that's your hourly or your salary rate. Online, this is actually, it's different, because you can you create your own value, and how much value you give to the world, that's how much you're gonna be ultimately rewarded with. So that's what's Antra based on, and Jeff's mission is to become a leader in entrepreneurial education, and I believe he's gonna accomplish this with time. There's no set date for this yet, but that's the goal. So I hope you guys find as much value as I did in Antrim. I have received tremendous support from the community on Facebook, and I've learned a lot of content, and there's still so much more. I haven't even scratched the surface yet, and I feel amazed, and I feel eager and happy and ready to jump in and learn more, so I can continue implementing and doing what others are doing at the same time. Definitely. So if you guys are interested in affiliate marketing, give this program a try, and you'll learn for yourself. Otherwise, thank you guys. If this information was helpful, please like, subscribe, as I'm gonna be creating new content regularly. Have a good day, guys.